Including the Treasure Coast and Palm Beaches, of course, honoring our military veterans today. Celebrations in Boynton Beach and Port St. Lucie, along with other communities in our area, all to salute those who've given so much in service to our nation. And speaking of service to our nation, what does a brave heart look like? That's what's visibly on display at the Armory Art Center in West Palm Beach. 35 works done by veteran artists express the financial and emotional cost of freedom. WPTV News Channel 5's Arthur Mondale reports the exhibit's part of a program to rehabilitate veterans 365 days a year.
Knowing that they were in that moment in combat.
I am humbled looking at this piece.
Strength, technology, and teamwork.
You know, you're not going to fight for nothing.
Just a few responses from the first people to see Braveheart's 8 multimedia exhibit at the Armory Art Center in West Palm Beach.
You can look at the pieces and tell where their soul is.
35 works of art.
Just the amount that they go through.
I find through art, I'm able to get out of my head.
4 works of art are the creation of Rom Levinson, a former Army infantryman who served in Iraq twice in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom.
I was hit by 3 IEDs, and luckily not a scratch on me, but the percussion of the blast really did a toll on me.
He creates to treat his PTSD, but he says the summer of 2020 took his mind back to the hot zone.
I've been to a war zone. It's not pretty, and I'd like to see more positive change in this country in a positive, constructive way.
A lot of the work that we do with art therapy at the VA happens behind the closed doors of a therapeutic space.
These masterpieces are done by veterans enrolled in the VA Medical Center's Bravehearts program, rehabilitation and therapy through art in collaboration with the Armory Art Center.
It's a team effort.
All the way from Vietnam to the current war.
Changing the lives of both artists and audience.
Commitment.
That's what we fought for.
Realize that Veterans Day may happen one day a year, but for us, every day is Veterans Day.
The Bravehearts exhibit runs through November 21st. Donations are also accepted. Veterans who are referred by the VA attend the program for free. Arthur Mondale, WPTV, News Channel 5.